How to fix WhatsApp's voice messaging problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way as to how you can go ahead and fix if you're having issues with the voice messaging on the WhatsApp application. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now let's say you are just trying to talk to someone on WhatsApp, you're trying to send them a voice message, or you're simply not being able to hear their voice messages in return. That could be happening due to a couple of reasons, and we cannot certainly be certain that there is only one reason behind it. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you some of the most working fixes which can hopefully help you solve your problem. The very first step is to simply go ahead and then launch the settings application, and once you launch the settings app, I want you to go over and then simply look for the option called apps. As you go to apps, you want to go ahead and search for WhatsApp on the list of all these applications over here. It is usually going to be at the end of the screen, given that it is in the alphabetical order, and tap on WhatsApp over here. Now before we try to do anything else, just go to storage, and I want you to clear the cache, which are the temporary junk files that your app doesn't really need it. I don't recommend you to clear the data, because that is going to delete all of your data from the WhatsApp application. And after you've done that, since you've actually been facing the voice messaging problem, I want you to go to the option called permissions, and once you go to permissions, it is most likely that the microphone access or the phone access is actually turned off. So just make sure to tap on microphone over here and make sure that you've allowed while using the application. You can come back, try to go to phone, and you also want to make sure you've allowed the permissions. After that, what I want you to do is come back and then force stop the application for once. After you force stop it, try to relaunch the WhatsApp application and verify if your issue has been resolved. If it has not been solved, then the final step I would recommend you to do is to open up your respective app stores. Once you open up your respective app stores, and in the search box, you just want to go ahead and then type in WhatsApp. As soon as you type in WhatsApp, we check whether or not the WhatsApp application has an update available. If it does have an update available, I want you to go ahead and update it, because what updating does is that it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the application. And hopefully one of these might have definitely helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.